Hi guys, Namaskaram, welcome back to my channel Sri's Delight. Today we'll be seeing one of my hair masks which I use to my hair. Whenever I feel my hair is thin or I need some volume to my hair, so I will be applying this hair mask. So I wanted to share this with you. This hair mask will give you an instant volume to your hair. So if you want to show your hair volumized, so you can use this hair mask. This mask you can apply 2 days before the event which you are planning to look as if you have a volumized hair. Even this one is our olden ancient days hair care tip or routine they used to do. We'll see what and all we need for this hair mask. Here comes all the goodies to increase your volume of your hair. Here I have taken our urad dal. This one I have taken 250 grams. This is to my hair length I have taken this much. You can take according to your hair length. And this is our fenugreek. This one also it's depending how much you want. I have taken like 2 tablespoons of fenugreek. I soaked it overnight. I washed and I soaked it overnight. And here I have taken some hibiscus leaf. Since I have hibiscus leaf in my house, I'm using it. If you are not having hibiscus leaf, most probably in India you will be getting hibiscus leaf everywhere. If by chance if you don't have hibiscus leaf, you can skip it and you can replace it with some curry leaf. Or if you are having both, you can use it. But today I wanted to keep it simple, so I have used this one. And if you are having any dandruff issues, which I don't have because I am using that ginger oil, I don't have dandruff. If you feel you are having dandruff, you can add 2 to 3 peppercorns. So even that will help you in reduction in dandruff. Regarding this hair mask, there are few things to remember. This one, when you mix it, when you make the mask, don't apply in your living room or anywhere. Just apply this in the washroom, and when you take bath also, your whole washroom is going to get messy. So it's okay, since this is providing you goodness, so it's okay and there's nothing to clean it. So you have to wash your washroom after taking bath. Other than that, this mask will give you the instant and best result. So this one, not only when you're having occasion, you can apply this alternatively like weekly twice or weekly once also. If you keep this in your regular hair care routine, you'll have your length of your hair also, then you'll have volume also. Now we'll start the preparation of this mask. For this, as I said, I have soaked this in overnight, and we are having some water here, so no need to discard it, just we'll collect it aside. So we'll be using the same water for grinding it. Here is our mask which is ready to apply. This is the consistency we require to apply the mask. If you feel difficulty in applying this mask, you can add some water. The water which you preserved previously, the soaked water, which has lots of nutrients in that. So add that water itself. If you ran out of that water, you can use normal water. Drinking water is best for this. This one, when you apply, just soak in just for 1 to 1.5 hours. That's it. Don't exceed more than that, because this urad dal, it will dry up and it will be very much difficult to remove it from your hairs. And when you are applying this, Don't apply this in any of your living room or bedrooms. Just apply this in your washroom as you apply for mehendi. And the same way, when you wash out your mehendi, your washroom will be messy. The same way, even this will be messier. But the plus point is this doesn't stain as mehendi. So even the application also is same like mehendi itself. So you apply this. You no need of any conditioner after using this. In fact, you no need of any shampoo also. If you feel that your hair is oily, it's better to apply this when your hair is not oily. When you have oil in your hair, it's difficult for the mask to absorb inside your scalp. So when your hair is dry, you apply this mask and wash it out in plain water. No need of any shampoo or conditioner, and you will see the result, instant result within a day. And one more thing, once you wash your hair and when you're drying it, please dry it outside in your balcony or somewhere, because there will be lots of leftover flakes from this urad dal, which may get little bit messier. So better you do it in your washroom or in your balcony or somewhere where it's okay for you to get messier. The only thing to concern in this mask is messiness. Other than that, this mask works really wonders in your hair to increase your volume. So hope you'll try this in your house and tell me how it works for you. If you want more hair care routines or tips, just comment me in my comment box section. I love to hear from you. So that's all for this video. We'll catch up in next interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye for now. Thank you for watching my video.